How to add another account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add another account on Facebook step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the menu section, simply scroll down to the bottom and there just tap on the logout button. And here, once you have logged out of your account, then you can simply tap on use another profile once you are on the login screen. And now here, once you do that, on the next page, you just have to enter your email or phone number, and here once you're done with it, you just have to enter the password of the new account. And once you are done with it, you just have to tap on login. And now Facebook will save both accounts. And here, next time you open the app, you can switch between accounts without logging out. And that's it. That's how you can add another account on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.